So we'll be demoing Prana today, and this is the version that all our alpha users are using at present. So we'll get started. If you're an organizer, then you can start your own circle, but if you're a member and you've been invited by someone else, you could tap on the View Invite button and be taken into that flow. However, today I'm going to start my own circle, so I'm going to tap on the Start a Prana Circle button. And these are the steps that we are going to go through in order to basically create this circle. So to set up a prana circle, I have to set a total amount, which is the lump sum that everyone is going to receive on their draw date. I have to figure out the number of members who would be a part of this prana circle and a start date. I also have to pick up a goal. So in this case, I want to use my lump sum towards a vacation close to my birthday, so that's what I'm going to pick. Usually, these circles tend to be pretty big. They could range anywhere between 5 people to 50 people. However, for demo purposes, I'm just going to use or choose 3. So this is 3 people, including me, who will be a part of this circle. And we will be essentially pooling $250 each every week. And the start date or the kickoff date for this would be, let's say, September 1st. And I would want to take the last draw because I want the money close to my birthday, which is around then, which is when I would like the $500. Since I'm doing this with my friends, I'm just going to call this the friend circle. So I can review all the information. $500 is the total draw. Number of members is 3. $250 a week is the contribution. And the start date is September 1st, and the end date is September 15th. By accepting these terms, I'm also agreeing to the member agreement, which ties all the members together legally and makes them liable to each other financially. So I'm going to sign up now with my email. Choose a PIN code, then confirm it. Now I'm going to go into the verify ID flow, where I will need to basically input my full name and then my address. Social Security, birth date. Now I can review all this information, and if it looks okay to me, I'm going to agree to it. I've been prompted to link my bank account, which I'm going to do right now. Some more fields to fill out for verification purposes. So I'm just going to use that checking account, which is selected by default. Looks like my account has been attached. And now I can invite other members to my group. So I'm going to use email. And invite another member. And I can also view the group now. So you could see that the first draw is on September 1st. However, I've chosen the last draw, and I'm waiting for one more person to essentially accept my invite, and then I'm going to invite another person. I also have this chat feature here where I can basically send messages to the whole group. Also have settings right here, which shows my transaction history and other details like my linked bank account and information about my account. So we've sent out an invite, and now I'm going to essentially demo the app from the perspective of the member who has received the invite. So in this case, I'm going to view the invite and enter the code that was sent out by Rachel. And these are the terms of the circle that I've been invited to, and they look okay to me, so I'm going to accept. And then I go through the same flow that you saw Rachel go through, which is signing up with email or Facebook, verifying their ID, and linking the bank account. So after we have created an account and verified our ID and linked the bank account, this is the screen I get. So I get to choose a draw date like the organizer. And again, I can choose a goal. And that's, so I'm going to choose the first date because I could use this money earlier since it's for an emergency. And you can see now 2 spots have been taken and only 1 spot is left for this circle to be completed. I can see that Rachel left me a hello. Now we've skipped forward a little bit, and the third person has also accepted the invite by inputting their invite code and signing up and verifying their ID, as well as linking their bank account and selecting a draw date. So after doing all of that, everybody gets a notification where their circle is now full. So this Prana circle is ready to go next week. And I can see that all the different slots have been taken by 3 different people, including me. And you can see the schedule. And the first person is Shigun. And Rick and Rachel have upcoming contributions which are scheduled for September 1st that will go into Shagun's bank account, and this will amount to $500. And this will continue every week till everyone has received their lump sum.